Hi everyone, so I hope you had a great Easter weekend. I did take advantage and take the day off at least. I usually try to make a video like early in the morning, but I was like, no, I'm gonna just be chill and enjoy the holiday and with the kids, and it was really fun. So a nice little rest I got here over the weekend, but I did get some items in over the weekend, and I think even like Thursday, Friday, I just was gonna wait for the other items to come in so I have a haul to show instead of just like one or two items. So I think these items are from HSN. And if anything's still available, I'll have it linked in the description box. And those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Just a quick reminder for the swap, they should have been postmarked by Saturday. The shabby chic frames and sentiments, ephemera folder, and altered paper clip swap. And I have heard from everybody except for like 3 people. I did email you guys, so please check your email. I emailed everybody, but I hadn't received the swap yet back. But there's 3 people that I haven't heard from at all, so I don't know if you need to drop or if you did send it, you just haven't gotten in contact with me. But please check your emails if you had signed up for the swap, so that way I can have that info. Because otherwise, we're gonna start the reveals tomorrow because I have probably 45, almost 50 of them, whatever it is, whatever the number was. I don't remember if I did 50 or 60 this time around. I'm only waiting for 10. Let's just leave it like that. So, and this should be in by today and tomorrow, so from the people that I've heard from. But either way, even if the other people, if they postmark it by Saturday, it should be here today or tomorrow. So, we will see. Let's get this going. And for all you guys finishing up your taxes, did mine last week finally, and actually I jumped the gun. I should have waited because I found some more receipts I could have included, and that's a bummer, but oh well, what are you gonna do? Yeah. I hope you guys have a smooth day with that. So let's see here. Foam adhesive bundle. Ooh, from Anna Griffin. Okay, I did get 2 of these, so I'm just gonna open one. And actually, let me just. This is a great staple. They are out on HSN again. I did made that quick video, and some people did order them with my links, but I don't know that's what sold it out. I'll tell you. Yeah, I don't know. But, oh my gosh, you guys, this is just, it's so good. It's so good. So, maybe I want to check Anna Griffin's site and see if they have them. It's just 3D adhesive. And it has those little small pieces, so like if you're doing something intricate but you still want to pop it up, you don't have to cut things down so tiny, it's already ready to go, you know? Oh, you know, I think I have more things. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, this is not... Okay, that's from Spellbinders for the next few months of craft kits and all that. And then I was like, oh, maybe it is for me, though, because I just ordered the glimmer, you guys. I will have the information in the description box. Spellbinders is having 25 off of 100, and that's automatically once you put $100 worth of stuff in your cart, the 25 comes off. And you can still use your points on top of that. And, of course, if you're a member, you know, the discounted price is already there, so really nice. And so I took advantage of that and I picked up their glimmer because it works, you know, the Gemini the Crafts Companion foil press, it works with it, but you really have to like test it out and you know, all these different things. So I'm like, I'm just kind of tired of doing that, so I went ahead and got the glimmer because I do have the Platinum Aqua 6 that I can go through. Sorry, but I could have already, I think, run it through the Big Shot, and then it fits through other machines. I just never really pay attention to that because I have the foil press. But now I'm like, you know what? I really want to just use. Oh, interesting. Their system, like completely. Okay. This is fun. Okay, so this is weird. Okay, this is the paper library from Crafter's Companion, which is way behind schedule. But because it's behind schedule, it's also, the next one is also due. And I got a notice saying that it's going to be late. And I'm like, okay, fine, I guess. But I didn't realize it was 2 different things. The one that was supposed to ship like months ago, I guess, plus the one that's on time now? I don't know. So that's cool. And the one that's on time now is also on extended delivery. So I'm like, okay. Meaning, I don't know, it's there instead of just holding off. Okay, so basically this is supposed to be put into the Crafter's Companion paper library that we picked up, or I picked up, like, oh my gosh, it was last year, wasn't it? I mean, for sure it was last year, but I feel like it was a long time ago. So these are the new papers. They are not separated anyway. So remember the first one, it kind of had like a band on it, and it said this is for this and this is for that. but this is just a stack of papers. So again, they're layering weight, like very thin papers. This is really pretty stuff. I did not expect this today, so we will go through it, I suppose. I don't even know how to do this. Okay, I'm just gonna let you guys see them. I mean, I'm not. There's 25 papers. Again, this one has like that print look where it looks digitized. I don't know how to explain it. I know it's hard to tell now, especially now that I closed up on it, but it looks like it was photocopied. So I'm assuming this is one stack, and this is like Valentine-y, I suppose, coming into here, except for that, you know, it's too late. It arrived too late. This is really pretty. I love that with the roses. This one's just like paint, right? Oh, and this one's more of a marble. Or maybe this is one whole stack. I don't know, because these top ones look more spring than these guys, and these guys look more Valentine to me. With the hearts. Oh, see, I have this sideways or something, because everything's going the other way. So you're supposed to take these and put them into the case that you first got with the paper library, the first edition. Yeah, look at these hearts. I guess this is all one. This just doesn't look like it goes with the other stuff. These are really pretty. Again, it's so hard for me to work with layering weight, just because you can tell, like when you go to cut it. It's one thing to have printed cardstock or like vellum or whatever, but layering weight paper is very hard for me to work with, but I try. Look at this one. That is so pretty. I mean, I can close up just a little bit more if that helps, but I don't know. Sometimes it's better to have a whole view of it. This is cute. Very unexpected. I like the colors on that, like chocolatey and orange and everything. Okay. So this is another interesting thing. If you have the paper library and you don't know what's coming up next, which I don't know when or what, or always look up any auto ship. Look at the little baby's breath on that one, and here and there. You can look up the original presentation, like here on YouTube. So, you know, Crafter's Companion Paper Library HSN is what I would type, and it'll show you the original presentations, and then there you can see. Now, sometimes they change it, right, from what they show you, so it might be different. Look at this one with the chicken wire and the little flowers. So pretty. This all Valentine? That's interesting, because the other one, I think it was like 10 sheets in each section, right? And this is just a bunch of different Valentine papers, which again, we are way past Valentine's. They were way behind on this one. Love and Bloom, it says down here. Very interesting. This is a little interesting one. I like this part. I'm not sure I like this other side. Look at that. Now I feel like I should back up again. Hold on, backing up. It goes this way. Yeah, this is definitely kind of a bummer because this is all Valentine. I don't remember them being like that, like the ones that are coming up later. I thought they were going to be a mix of things, but this is definitely all Valentine-y. This is pretty. I mean, you can use it for... Oh, see, now I feel like this is different. This is different from a paper pad I've seen before. Just look at the flower down here. I forget the paper pad, but that looks very familiar. Okay, so this is still very sweet, but maybe it's not super Valentine, right? I feel like these papers belong down here, but maybe we went with this. It's just totally different, right? These first 4 papers. Okay, well, that's fun. If I had known this was sitting there, I would have made this video for like Saturday. Look at that one. That's pretty. Oh, I like this. Whatever they're doing here, I like this one. I would say it's more spring. I'm not sure about that one, but maybe like a little Easter egg. Easter sweater. Daisies, a little more juvenile on that one. Yeah, this looks very Eastery. Look at this one. Looks like bunny ears, actually, but I don't know, just the pieces. Yellow gingham. Oh my gosh. Oh, this would have came in handy. I guess next year. We're still in spring. Look at this one. I'm definitely holding this paper sideways. And then back to the hearts. I have no idea what's going on here. There's still more. This is more than 20. How many sheets is it? It didn't say. I guess 50? I don't know. I thought it was like 25. But maybe it's 50 because they're like 50 cents a sheet. I don't know. Little bubbles or dots, should I say. Another mottled pink background, which is very lovely. Oh, a little quilted pattern. This would be sweet for like a baby card. Really pretty coral lace. Look at this one. You know, this might be nice though for a traveler's notebook. Just because it's thin, so it'll laminate really well, and then it has a really pretty look like this one. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Then some kind of stylized geometric hearts. Kind of pinky coral, like a jacquard pattern. This little zigzag. Oh yeah, look at this one. The little bird. Yeah, this would have been lovely to have earlier. But yeah, like I said, the second one's already set up to go out. I think, or maybe I'm tripping. I don't know what that is. Either way, this is super late. This was supposed to be out months ago. Look at this one. Now that I think about it, I'm like, no, that's something else. It's not set up, guys. I don't want to confuse you. I just thought about it. It said 9-piece something or other. At first, I thought it was the Crafter's Companion paper library because of the way it was written. But I realized it's a different auto ship that I'm thinking of that's slated, and that's still an extended delivery. So don't even worry about it. For right now, this is the only one they've sent out and the only one they've talked about. Other than that, they'll be late. Look at that. Yeah, they're just all mixed up. I'm not sure why, but look, this is so pretty. That's gorgeous. I do kind of wish there were 2 of each, because if you're a scrapbooker and you want this to be a page, you only have, 1 of each one. But look at this one. Super pretty. Oh, that'd be cute. This layered behind, like this one that we just passed up. Like with the matte layers. I don't want to squish it, but like if you had a little matte layer and that little gingham around the edge. That zigzag pattern again. Kind of a lime green dot. Little flowers. Again, this one looks like it's been photocopied. I don't know what that looks about. A lot of companies are doing that. It's a little odd. There's this stripe. Ooh, look at this one with the dots, but it has that like watercolor look. And then this little soft lavender with the darker dots, and then lavender gingham. Or purple, I guess. Not really. Little daisies. Oh, I love it. So now we're getting into the purples, looks like. It went into greens, maybe. And then this little stripe one. I think I've seen this in the subscription box, I feel like. Those are pretty. Totally unexpected. Really happy to have it. Yeah, so enjoy your first auto ship that came very late. What else do I have here? I'm gonna keep an ear out for Dorian. He's getting ready and he takes extra long showers. Oh boy, we are in a drought, okay? Okay, so some other items I picked up. These are Heartfelt Creations. I will put my referral link for Heartfelt Creations if you would like. That's a referral link. Anyone can have the same referral link, and it's 20 off of 40 if you're a first-time shopper. You'll receive. Basically, you click on the link, it'll take you there, and it'll just pop up at the beginning like, oh, you have to provide them your email address, and they'll send you like right away the $20 off, and then you use it, and it gives me also $20 in there. Shop if you want that. But these I had picked up from HSN. So the fancy classic rectangle frame, which I was looking forward to. This thing is large and in charge. Look at that. I mean, that makes like a 5x7 on its own. Several dies here. The outer one, this one that cuts the centerpiece. This one does its own little frame. This one does its own little frame. And then you have an inlay. No, you know what? Actually, they paired it up, but it's not just an inlay. It cuts its own little frame. Pretty piece, yeah, like this, basically. And then this one's the fancy classic oval frame, which is also, I didn't expect this one to be as big, actually. I thought it was going to be, look at that. And the reason I got this is to make shaped cards, because, I mean, look how pretty this is. So it has that outer frame, again, that little delicate one, like this, so it's a delicate little frame. And then this guy does its own frame area that, does it cut the edge? Okay, you can pair it. Very interesting, because here they're showing it paired already with this line here. So you don't have to do that if you don't want to. And then this inlay that cuts the little center. So again, with this one, maybe that's the same kind of thing. This one's a little bit different though, actually, now that I look at it, because this one does cut its edge even though, so it's like what's here. In this image, you can change that up. And then I picked up the Moments in Time paper, because I really enjoyed it. I think it's lovely, so I picked up another pack of that because I have all the dies to cut the tags now. I have the dies to cut the clocks and all these, so I have a lot of fun ideas coming up for that one, so keep an eye out because I have both clocks now. And let's see what's in this last one. Couple of things. Oh yes, okay, this is the Crafter's Companion Advanced slimline nesting dies, and they're called nesting, not that so much that they go one right inside the other one, because they do, but they don't. You know what I'm saying? They're kind of like a different style, where nesting to me is the same shape over and over, right? But these layer on top of each other, basically, or however you want to play with them. But these are the slimline ones, and I love their other sets that I had picked up. I've been using them quite often, so I was really excited to get the slimlines. So these are the ones I had picked up. And this is one set. I'll have them both. I don't know which one's which unless I look at the numbers and all that. But this one has Luca and Modena. Or Modena, I don't know. Really pretty. It says 8.3 by 3.3, so that'll nest right inside an 8.5 by 3.5, which is what I like to do with my slimlines. Really pretty. So I will definitely get to these very soon here. Maybe cut a few from each one. I don't know, but gorgeous. So really happy to have those. I think that's it for right now. So keep an eye out. Again, like I said, I'll pick up the Glimmer. I will definitely do a tutorial, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Actually, I have a Spellbinders video for y'all too. So, all right. Bye now.